Coffee? Whoa, okay, I was about to do something, but I'm gonna have a coffee first. But I definitely got too excited about the Wi-Fi too quickly. It worked right for after we set it up, and then it was pretty bad, like as bad as it is in the riverbed. So we're gonna take it down. I'm pretty sure I have the antenna standing straight up instead of shooting towards the cell tower like we're supposed to. I was so excited I didn't quite follow the instructions, but I've been reading up on it, and I think if we set it up and spin it around and try to shoot it towards Morant Bay, we can hit a tower and hopefully get better service. And the other thing we got to do is the antenna there is supposed to be 30 foot away from the top. There's an inside antenna in the box, so that's got to be 30 foot. So I'm going to move it to the back wall, and then we will hope and pray that we get Wi-Fi. First things first, very important. That's a good style. I like it in the thing all blackened up, man.
Yo, man, get that kick out of it, iron in the head. Feel him outside. Feel him outside. Feel him outside now?
Yeah, steel toe.
Iron in the head. Fine, if it's still in the machine. Yo.
What? You got steel toes, Coppy? Are you sure? Oops. Put
it on TV.
Thank you.
So you got the good chair.
I got the good one. We bought new plastic ones, but this one's way sturdier. Alright, put it here so. Right here. I gotta untie the gorilla grip thing, or whatever it is. Wow, we did a good job digging it out. Can I get a machete? Ultimate Rasta man tool, right? You know what? I'm gonna make sure we got enough cable on the inside. Coppy, can you hold this for me for a minute? I just want to let out some cable so I don't send it running. Sorry to interrupt your breakfast. 1 second. Just want to feed this out so I don't pull anything crazy. Enough room. Okay, should be good. Left it. Come on, let's go. Good.
Man?
Bring it back down here, so.
Watch it, man.
Yeah, man.
If you're... No.
You got it. Okay. Good?
Yo. I feel giant, man.
Okay. So, I'm the one that looks like a fool because I totally did not pay attention to the instructions, or rather I got too excited. I was looking at these like, oh yeah, it goes straight up. Derp! Look over there. You're supposed to shoot it in a direction. So, first time, amateur hour. I'll claim it, I don't care.
I don't think anyone will hold it against you.
No, it's fine. And then the other thing, it says you gotta have it, where is it? A certain amount away from 30 foot separation. So I think we had 20 foot going up, but I had it kind of right on the inside wall. So I have to move the internal antenna on the other side.
Okay,
and that's why they gave us so much cable. So I was kind of wondering why. So I don't know which way the tower is. We know Morant Bay is going to be to the west, and that's probably where a tower is. And we'll just have to hope that works. But luckily it is a pole, and we can just spin it whichever direction and just try what works best. So let's go up here.
Trial and error.
Trial and error. Anyway, I'll take it off. We're going to try it. But that was the crazy thing. It did work. Just unfortunately,
Maybe not to its full potential.
no. And And there's a couple other bolts that it came with. Like it's got these that definitely look like it. Those obviously fit it on something, but again, it looks like it's supposed to mount. Definitely looks like it mounts on a pole like that way, but
Yeah, no, you're right.
I don't know. I don't know anything. So I don't know how we're gonna do this. I might use one of the big ones and just
Figure 8, triple knot it.
Can I split this maybe and put it inside?
Now you're thinking.
So at least it's got something. So maybe I'll just jam it like this.
Yeah.
How's that for jungle construction? That's actually pretty cool.
I'm confident.
Yeah, it's actually, I don't even need to put a cable. It's good to go. I don't even think I need the big blues. I can just wrap it up with these guys.
Bamboo, man.
Bamboo is really awesome. Yeah, I'm just gonna cross it over on these. Spin them up tight. Any sort of technician is just laughing their ass off at me right now, but look, that's pretty solid. Like it's not going anywhere. Should I do one more? Just
Yeah, why not?
maybe I can do one around the bamboo to kind of like clamp it shut.
Yeah.
All right. I don't know. Good enough for a try, right? Coopy, can you give me a hand again?
Hola. Hola. Get that pizza stick, Jacob. Roll it up. Pizza stick. The rama. Like come. Look on that thing.
I live in Vegan.
You might go.
Yeah.
It looks like bigger in here.
Totally.
Here?
Exactly. He's like
I see him here.
totally. The shagginess.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I live in.
Really?
Don't pay the man down.
Coopy, you want one with a sharp one, right? A sharp bottom? No?
That one can run it.
Tell me I bury the man straight.
So Big Head unfortunately died this year, but we got Big Head's grand picnic, aka granddaughter, with the shaggy Big Head hair. There you go. Whoa!
No time for you.
No time.
Hola, man. And I thought you go, man. Hola. Daddy cool. Man, flat dick. Bumble man, put up the line, give me. Yeah, dig out the one.
Can you pull the cable down a bit? No, this way. Pull it back, so yeah, you got it.
Ready?
Ready? So you want to hold this for a minute,
No.
and I'm just going to test really quick
Yeah, go on.
before we fill it in, okay? I want to test it out. So
Before you do anything here.
yes, sir.
Hold on, this. Look at one. Oh, the cool stuff.
Okay, so this needs to be farther away.
What needs to be further?
This is the actual supposedly internal antenna, so I might run it around the top. We'll buy some stuff in town to clip it, and I'll just run it onto that wall or something.
Yeah.
So for now, I made a mess of this.
You make a mess of everything.
I know.
Mom, pull it.
Rat's nest. Actually, I'm just gonna unplug it for now because this is annoying me. At least we'll get it cleaned up. See, which one's the inside one, which one's the outside one? How did that get like that? Straight cable.
Ooh, didn't see it. Nothing
Bang.
happened.
Doesn't happen. It wasn't caught on camera. It didn't happen. Okay, good. So I'm gonna stick this over here for now. Nice clean.
Mom, shoot. You'll find it.
This goes indoor. Green.
Green.
Everyone
green's
likes a green light. Green means go. Green means ganja.
Green frog.
Green frog too. Okay.
Green frog.
Now let's go and do the magical test while Coopy is there. So we're getting 3G, 1 bar, which is kind of what it was showing last time, but
good. Too much reflection on the phone. Yeah, there we go.
so let's check Insta real quick.
One bar, I want to pick up two.
Now we have it facing east. Shit. So I think if we spin it around and face it west, at least it's going towards Morant Bay. I'm just kind of guessing
Yeah.
where the signal is.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
Can you spin it around? Yeah. There you go. That's 2 bars. Which way is towards Morant Bay? No, that's too much. Too much.
The other way there.
You gotta point it towards Morant Bay.
Yeah, man, the other way there.
That way, yeah.
Alright. Like this, Mokko? It's Morant Bay. But isn't that towards the east?
Huh?
The sun's coming up that way.
This way. East point this.
Yeah.
And the east. North.
I don't know. Now it's not
I'm
working.
going to say first.
Well, it's working, but really slow.
Not
So
So not fourth.
How we
it's
doing?
still just 1 bar and it's slow as hell.
Not fourth. So
Damn, it worked
not
better when I had it
fourth.
wrong.
Fourth.
Oh, it's 3 bars?
So not
Did you change anything? But that's the thing. It like says 3 bars, but
Does anything?
oh look, I got Jack here on the post.
Oh,
Let's see if we can see Jack here's stuff.
shout out Jack here.
Yep. Now it's back to 1. Let's try to spin it more west. This
Yeah,
way.
no, you got nothing.
And then not more
Yeah, there you go.
eye cure. Eye cure, you don't see anything there. Eye cure, man.
Let's see how many likes Coopy got. 1,143 people like Coopy's picture of him with
Oh,
planting.
Oh, Coppy.
Hmm.
Oh,
Nice picture.
nice picture.
Coopy, superstar.
You want to eat it?
Couldn't refresh feed. Well, that's fuckery. Ah, maybe. Okay, I don't know where the cell tower is. We got to be able to look that up
The cell
somehow.
tower?
Yeah, the cell tower, where it sends the signal for all of this area. It's got to be.
That's it, you know.
You know? Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Did you sell that so?
That's good to know.
Yeah, they right there, so?
Uh huh.
Is it right there, so?
Yeah.
Behind that mountain there, that big piece of clump of mountain there.
Yeah.
I guess a piece of dry stick. They're right behind it.
Okay. Well,
Yeah, man. Did you sell?
so that's counterintuitive. I thought towards Morant Bay, but
Did you sell up on the hill there?
awesome. Okay. Let's try that. Let's spin it around.
Yeah, boy, that one up there, but
Is that facing the right Mokko, you think? Towards the tower? Look more.
Ah,
Like that?
yeah.
Oh yeah, because you got that one, your other antenna,
Yeah,
going the same way for the TV, so.
yeah. Let's check it out now.
2 bars it says, but still, it's, I don't know, man. It's almost like Digicell's just bad. I'm gonna trash Digicel. Blame Digicel.
Shout out Digicel.
What?
Look on the book and look where it says turn. The book.
Well, it says to turn towards the tower. It's the Digicel tower, but it's showing like I'm getting bars, but it's obviously not going.
No, what about G next time?
Yeah.
Oh, look, a little update.
It's working better than it was, I
You
think.
think so? I mean, I wasn't getting 2 before, but it's still slow as hell.
Yeah.
I can't do a live show or anything. Oh, that sucks.
But even down by the river, it's been pretty slow for me.
It's been bad everywhere. I don't know. Normally down by the river, it's okay. You can, like, we've done live broadcasts and it was fine.
Okay. Yeah.
I don't know. Can this balance here for a second? Can I just jam this for a sec? Wow, it updated.
Yeah. Well, it's more than I can say.
I don't know. Should we call it a half win?
Sure. I'll take that.
It's like we weren't getting anything before, and now we're getting really, really bad internet. So semi-win. But I'm really surprised that spinning that around didn't help. I thought it was just because I messed it up. Well, I guess we might as well put it back in and just leave it. And
Yeah.
maybe the service will pick up throughout the day. All right, let's put it back in. Is it straight? It's not very tight.
Put it off one, it's right there, have a bigger one there.
No, they're the same. I can put a second one in later. But it's all right. If any engineers are coming to visit the yard, help us out. I think I'm just gonna leave this here and maybe someone can fix it up better than I did. So anyway, we tried. Maybe we'll get lucky later.